to a little side because you know.
Well, I don't know what's happening. Do you got something sneaky going on?
No, hold on.
Because I don't know what's happening.
All right, oranges in the chat, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Oranges in the chat. We in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Smack, what you got for him?
You heard me? It's Monday. You heard me? Happy motherfucking Monday. We got the host T motherfucking Rell in the building. We got my nigga Mac Wop relation in the building. We got King with the sauce shakers in the building. Y'all know me, the host Smacky. Let's get to that.
Yeah, let's get to that. You know what I'm saying? Before we get to that, you feel me? I'm saying shout out Minimo, you feel me? Make sure you use the code FIGG20. And then I got somebody else I want to shout out real quick too. I got my homeboy. I didn't even pull this shit up before I got on this thing, but I'm gonna pull it up right now.
Yeah, let's get to that.
Let's get to that. You feel me? Shout out Minimo though. You
In
know
the
what I mean?
building.
You know what I mean? Hold on, I ain't waiting. We finna get this right out the way. You feel me? But yeah, shout out HWBP. You feel me? It's the homie outfit I got on right now. You know what I'm saying? It's dedicated. You know, niggas is out here on the independent grind. So, you know.
Independent grind for sure.
You know what I mean? But yeah, beach fit. With the shoes.
Yeah.
With the whole little thing. You know what I'm saying? With the hat. Yeah, go cop that.
Nah,
you know
for real, SB got some
HWBP
shit.
Worldwide. Hold on, let me see. HWBP
Right there, he got
Worldwide.
it. Go
cop
that.
that, man. Go get to that. You know what I mean? That's the homie. You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Before I forget anything, but you know what I'm saying? The fit is icy.
No, for sure it is. Real summer
but,
vibe.
you know what I'm saying? Shout out Dedicated too, you feel me?
Oh,
Go
God.
cop the hats, you feel me? Yes, sir.
Dedicated.co.
Yeah,
.co.
dedicated.co, man. Go cop that. Don't worry about nothing. But yeah. Let's get into that.
Let's get into that. What we getting into, y'all? Because I'm lost.
We getting into. I just pulled up.
I just pulled up. They already got some shit up their sleeves I don't know about.
I was out all weekend. Gotta get into it already?
No, it's something up their sleeves. I want to know. I'm ready to get into it. Let's get to that.
I'm just trying to figure out where your motorcycle vest
My
at.
motorcycle at the house.
I said where your motorcycle vest at, homie.
Why is you worried about my vest at?
Where is your motorcycle vest at?
I ain't got no. I ain't got
Word in
no.
the street, they took
I
that.
don't give a fuck with the word in the street. That's false narrative. That's a false narrative.
hold on.
That's on my uncle. May he rest in peace. That's a false
They
narrative.
took that vest from you. Where is
They.
that? Because we don't see it,
Okay,
y'all.
well you ain't got to see it, so
We don't see
that's
it.
the big thing.
We don't see
Hey,
it.
that was the big thing y'all had. That's what y'all had up your sleeves. Oh, that shit was
We're
watered
around
down.
town and you can't go in that summer run.
Okay, that part. Anyway, move to the next thing because that's some false narratives. I don't even care
So
to
why
keep
is
it
that
going.
going around?
I
That
don't
niggas-
care, and I'm too big to care why a fake rumor going around. Fake rumor going around, dog.
Yeah.
I don't care. That's what I don't care about.
Hey, I believe.
That part.
Where is your vest at right
Why
now?
is you?
currently?
I'm not finna tell.
Where
I'm
is
not
it?
finna.
Where is it located?
It's at the clubhouse where my bike and shit is at, nigga.
It's
That's
at
where
the clubhouse.
Yeah.
Oh, they take the bike and the vest?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not feeding into these fake narratives. So if you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. Because right now, that's just like you learn off the blog.
Don't say that.
do
Now he off the ball.
Yeah, he
No,
going
this
off
is the
the
source.
Nah, the source.
He's high power.
This who? Your source? High power? Yeah. That's what he's not. That's what I don't care about. I
Don't
don't
be
care.
calling back.
Yeah.
Call him back. I wouldn't give a fuck. Nigga, everybody entitled to their opinion.
Can he speak when you call? Can he speak or you go?
Yeah, because I'm about to get his bathroom.
Oh, you gonna leave when you come in here.
I'm not finna go back and forth with dudes. You know how he won't any publicity, so he was hoping and praying. He probably watching right now for the call. Right, hey, sit your bitch ass down, dude. We working right now.
Bro don't have his vest.
Did they say why he took it? Why they took it? If I'm saying, if
Yo,
just,
he said, he know why.
he know why.
He
He know
got the
why.
whole story.
He got the
I
whole
don't know what you're
story.
talking about.
He,
Like I said, I don't know
he got the story.
oh, that should be
They
so
got,
funny.
hey, they got fake narratives going out. You feel me? They don't know the real narrative. They don't know what's really going on.
Yeah.
First and number one.
First and number one.
The vest never got taken.
So
Shut
what
up.
happened
Can
to
I
it?
talk that?
It's on John Morant. It's on his timeout. It's on his timeout.
Number one.
Suspended 23 games.
I never got my vest taken. Nobody never. Hey,
Okay.
take this. Hey, we need this. Hey, give me that vest. Hey, call me. Hey, bring that vest. None of that.
Right.
That never happened.
Right. Okay.
So the night the little shit cracked off,
Yeah.
nigga, I came out of my shit and sat it down and was all type of shit was going on. You feel
Oh,
me?
okay. I see what's going on there.
Yeah, you got what I'm saying? It was hella shit going on.
Yeah.
Boop, bop, bop. So one of the older dudes, shout out my nigga Catch Up, you feel me? Like, shit, you don't supposed to do that. That's a fine, you feel me? You supposed to keep it on. At the time, it's shit cracking off.
Right.
So I'm like, I gotta get in the mode, you feel me? Because I don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
That's how that happened. Nobody never took my vest. I still got my vest. If I'm lying, that's on Cassandra Renee Hamber.
So where
Are they,
You got it back
I feel you. Are they holding it against your will though? Like, did you go say?
No.
Do you got it now after that situation? Did they give it
I
back
ain't
to you?
back up there. No, I'm gonna get mine when I go what? Tomorrow or something. Getting my shit back.
So
So they been holding it.
He been having. I ain't been there. I've been doing this, the birthday parties and all type of shit.
Why are they holding your vest?
Hey, I just explained everything.
Whoa.
Why? I didn't. Man, it's over. I'm not. I tried to play y'all little game with y'all as much as y'all, but that's over with. Next subject.
How long ago was this though, Smack?
Y'all got my
Next
nigga
subject.
shaking like a mini bike over
No,
there.
I'm really hot though, young man. Like, I thought we was peoples. I thought y'all was my peoples.
I don't know nothing about nothing. I didn't
ain't
know.
talking about you. You ain't
Yeah.
With friends like them, I don't need no enemies.
Hey, what I
You put
just
that on your
said?
dead uncle though.
That my vest never got taken. I got my vest.
So
I
your
never
vest
got
got
taken.
taken on your
Never.
dead uncle.
It never. Do you know what taking is? Hey, give me your vest.
And they
No, none of that, bro. What do you mean taking?
picked your vest up.
Nigga, I was drunk. I was loaded, running around the club. There was shit going on.
And you
I
took-
got on, nigga.
Hold on,
Bruh.
hold on. Let's break that
Nah,
down.
man, I'm no talk.
Let's break
Nah,
it down.
nah.
So you was
We not finna do a whole segment of do you got the best or do you got like come on, we bigger. I'm too bigger
All right,
for that.
one more question.
Hey, you better make it a hell of a good question. Cause after this young man, I'ma go mute on your ass.
Okay. So you was running around loaded, drunk.
No, I wasn't running around with shit going
So
on.
shit was going on.
Yeah.
It was shit going on. It was
Yeah.
going crazy.
Yeah.
And you said, you know what? It's going crazy in here, and just ripped out
Nah, I
and
ain't
put it down.
Put it
Set
it on the
set it
table.
down.
On the table. Yeah.
Which is a big violation.
Okay. That's okay. Okay.
That's your
Sat
one
it
question.
down.
You just asked it. Y'all, he thought he's slick. No, yeah.
But you
That's
sat
why I
it
know
down.
I'm short. It's all you just asked me. I told you to ask me. You just asked me. I'm sharper than a razor.
But you sat it down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We in court
Somebody
right now.
picked
Yes,
it up.
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
And
Yes.
they holding it. Let's move on. Cause they got that nigga vest.
Yeah, that's tough, man.
They got it, homie.
That's their narrative. Like I said, the truth
But
is in the
if
details.
like since I know you raw enough, you ain't tripping, right? If it was to get taken or being held against your will, you would be.
It's not though. That's the truth in it.
Hey, the homie said stop lying because he'll pull up. You know he right around the corner.
Hey, if you can get behind these Gator money, motherfucker, you good. You'll be a bad motherfucker.
You'll be
Why
a
is he
bad
bothering me?
motherfucker.
Why what's up with dude? That's what I said.
Okay, all right, man. We gonna get on for my boy. You feel me? The investigation is out on this vest because I still ain't seen it. I ain't seen it in a minute because you usually be wearing that thing.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Well,
we ain't seen them
you'll
boy
see it.
vest.
You'll see it.
Shout out to everybody that's in here right now. We love y'all to death. You feel me? Almost 5,000 people in here right now. Make sure y'all like this video.